we put together some information on pricing, and what we have found is that there's two main types of pricing for pet insurance. There's annual policies. Now, these policies renew every year and often come with a yearly price increase, sometimes referred to as birthday pricing. This means your monthly payment automatically goes up each year as your pet gets older. Then there are lifetime policies, which is what Trupanion offers. We are currently the only provider that does this, and with our lifetime policy, we gather detailed information about your pet up front and use over 20 years of data to calculate the monthly cost. Instead of raising the price every year, we spread that cost evenly over your pet's entire life. Now, there's quite a bit to get into here, and I suspect that for most pet parents, the monthly premium of their policy is a major consideration. And this is where we're really passionate about driving more awareness and understanding among pet parents about what is, and just as importantly, what isn't in their policy, like the ability for a provider to cancel your coverage. Now, as Dr. Marks mentioned earlier, decisions like Nationwide suddenly dropping about 100,000 policies give pet insurance a bad rap altogether.
It does give all insurance companies a bad rap, and it's very frustrating to be lumped into this. We have been saying for years, and unfortunately, likely not loud enough or not clearly enough, that there is a big difference between pet insurance and high quality medical insurance for your pet. And when it's done right, it's not a commodity. Trupanion has a lifetime policy that auto renews on a monthly basis. And that means that we have purposely built a policy that only allows us to cancel for fraud, failure to provide medical records, or non-payment of premium. Not because pets are unlucky, not because there's a claim filed. Pets don't choose to get cancer. Pets don't choose to be, unhealthy. Pets don't choose to get into an accident. And we choose to not cut that coverage off when pet parents need it most and those pets need it most. We do not cancel for high claims experience or non-renewals, period, or no non-renewals, period. This is why transparency is critical. This is why understanding your policy is critical. This is why looking at price points and thinking that a policy's coverage is going to be the same across those price points is critical, that you dig in, you do the research, you call, you have a conversation, and you ask these questions. And the question is, can you non-renew me? Can you cancel my policy at any time? And if it is not an auto-renewing monthly policy, it's likely going to be the answer to that question is they can. So we want to educate, we want to inform, we want to ensure that veterinarians have the resources to do the same. Most importantly, we want to make sure that responsible pet parents who have done their research, who have done the right thing by ensuring that they've got coverage for what they don't know is going to happen in their pet's lifetime, also have confidence that there won't come a day when that coverage is unexpectedly canceled, and they're left with either pre-existing conditions or an older pet that is likely going to be more expensive to cover in the future.